When it comes to choosing the right phone system for your business, OpenPhone stands out in a crowded market. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we're going to cover 7 important things you need to know before buying OpenPhone, whether you're considering it for your team or looking for something to streamline your personal business needs. Let's start with the basics. OpenPhone is all about simplifying communication. Unlike traditional phone systems, or even some newer VoIP options, OpenPhone focuses on giving you a seamless experience across multiple devices. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, you can access your business phone system from any device, your phone, laptop, or tablet, without worrying about missing a call or message. This is a massive step up from something like Google Voice or even business landlines where you're tied to one location. Next thing, OpenPhone really shines when it comes to pricing. It offers affordable plans compared to the likes of RingCentral or Grasshopper, which can get pretty expensive as you scale up. You get unlimited calling and texting, and you only pay for what you need, with pricing that's simple to understand. Unlike some competitors, OpenPhone doesn't overwhelm you with confusing add-ons or hidden fees. So if you're just starting out or need a flexible plan, it's a great option to consider. Now, the third thing you need to know is how well OpenPhone integrates with other apps. If you use tools like Slack, Zapier, or Google Workspace, you'll love how easily OpenPhone integrates with them. This is especially useful if you already rely on those platforms to manage your team or customers. It makes your communication process smooth, reducing the need to toggle between different apps and making collaboration easier. The fourth thing you should consider is customer support. When comparing OpenPhone to other services like 8x8 or AirCall, OpenPhone support is top-notch. They offer 24/7 customer service, and their team is known for being responsive and helpful. This is a critical factor if you're running a business and can't afford downtime. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or looking for advice on how to use a feature, OpenPhone makes sure you're covered. Next, let's talk about features. OpenPhone may be more streamlined than some competitors, but it still packs a punch. You get voicemail transcriptions, call forwarding, shared numbers, and even call analytics. These features help optimize your communication, so you're not just answering calls, you're learning from them and improving your business operations. The sixth thing is a unique selling point for OpenPhone: its ease of use. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, so you don't need to waste time learning complicated systems. If you've ever struggled with the learning curve of other software like Grasshopper or Zoom Phone, OpenPhone will be a breath of fresh air. Everything from setting up your number to managing your contacts is straightforward and user-friendly. Finally, the seventh thing you need to know before buying OpenPhone is that it's built for scalability. Whether you're a freelancer or leading a growing team, OpenPhone can scale with you. Adding new lines, setting up auto attendance, and managing multiple users are all done with a few clicks. This is something you don't always find with lower tier options like Google Voice, which may work well for small scale businesses, but can quickly become limiting as you grow. So if you're considering OpenPhone, just know it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, flexible, and affordable business phone system. And the best part? You can try it out completely free. Click the first link in the description to get your exclusive free trial and some additional benefits when signing up through this link. Before you make your decision, I highly recommend giving OpenPhone a test drive, especially if you're coming from systems that are more expensive or complicated. It's simple, efficient, and offers all the features you need without the unnecessary complexity.